guys. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is She. So I'm just from a class. I did my nails again black today in the morning. So yeah, I have a hair appointment ndio nataka kwenda sahi. It's around 1 something. So yeah, I just booked for an afternoon session, so I think this is the right time kwenda. So yeah, come with me guys. I'm finally doing my hair. Nimekana free hair for like 3 weeks. And yeah, so let's go. Hi guys, so I've just gotten back from the salon and I'm so obsessed with my hair guys. Like wow, you know nimekuwa niki obsess over locks for the last like 3 months, and when I obsess over something I'm always there. Like so this page that I follow, like nakwanga hapo every day, I'm searching it and I'm seeing it. Like yani tangu nibomoe nilikuwa nimejiambia like I won't hata hairstyle gani itoke kikaaje, I'm going for locks. So yeah, nimekuwa tu nikipostpone, nasikia ish, and then I wanted to stay with my hair as much as I could before I get them, because I thought I'd miss my hair, because like last time when I had locks, it was in 2022. Like I got rid of them because I missed my hair. So this time nilikuwa nataka ku make sure I stayed with my hair like for so long ndio nisi miss sana. And then alafu leo I was wearing all black, like black pants, the shoes were black and white, and black top, and my nails black, and my locks black. Finally something to obsess over with for some time, you know. So happy, I wanna cry. You okay. Tunangoja mheshimiwa. Oh my god. Mheshimiwa. kila mtu anajua unafanya.